Oh my goodness. It's so hot today. It's like 106 degrees. I haven't even checked. It's supposed to be the same as yesterday. It's 106 yesterday. Wow! I just got done spraying down all my sheep and the donkey and myself and my evaporative cooler. And as you can see, it is keeping my cheese at room temperature at 75 degrees, and it is over 105 degrees. That's 30 degrees lower than the ambient temperature outside, which is, if you didn't know, that's really good for an evaporative cooler, because the primary example of an evaporative cooler around the world is the Zeer pot. It only boasts like, I think, 12 to 15 degrees below the ambient temperature outside. Yeah, this is like blowing that away, like by doubling it. This is the hottest weather that I've ever had the evaporative cooler on, that I've actually documented it, so this is really cool. And I'm gonna take this out to put it in my mouth so you can see that this thermometer is accurate. So you can see it says 98 degrees. Yeah, that's at 98.9 degrees. That's what the human body is. So, thermometer is accurate. It is keeping my cheese at 75 degrees on a, well, here, I'll leave this out. You can see. This on. Come on, Maram. All right. So it is 75 degree evaporative cooler effect on a 100-degree day. That's still really good. That's way better than any other evaporative cooler example.